Hey fam, we are on not this. Just kidding, that was last time. We want this one. There we go. Okay, area of parallelogram, I lied again, geez. Area of trapezoids, rhombi, and kites. You're gonna be able to find the areas of these. Again, you might know how to do this, you might not. But it's all very basic because you're just plugging into a formula. So here is your formula for the area of a trapezoid. Half times your height times the sum of your bases. So your height, again, is perpendicular to your base, and then you just add your bases together, and that's what goes there. The order doesn't matter. You can have the bottom over the top, or the bottom first, and then the top base. It doesn't make a difference because you're just going to add, and order and addition does not make a difference. Just make sure you write that down correctly. And then your formula for area of rhombi and kites, half times your diagonals multiplied together. So you're going to take the length of your diagonals, multiply them together, and then divide by 2. So you could write it like this as well. It's up to you what you prefer, what you like to do. Okay, let's try some examples, kids. Find the area of the figure. So this, I hope you can realize, is a trapezoid. So if we plug in half times our height, bases added together. All right, what is our height? So our height, since it's a right trapezoid, would be 4. We don't know what this base is, though, so that's kind of tricky. But if I move that height over here, 4, we can figure out what this length is here because it's a right triangle. So if I have 4 squared plus x squared equals 5 squared, we'll get 16 plus x squared equals 25. Subtract over, we get 9x equals 3. So if this is 3, then this up to here, what's left over of 9 would be 6. So there we go. So our top base is 6, our bottom base is 9, and now we just compute. I like to do this first. What's half of 4? Well, it's 2. Simplify your parentheses. 6 plus 9 is 15. 2 times 15 is 30, and it's area, so feet squared. This would be a kite. So again, your formula, half times your diagonals multiplied together. And they're just giving it to you, folks. One diagonal is 15. Your other diagonal is 8. 8 times 15 is 120. Half of 120 is 60 meters squared. Again, pretty straightforward. Just plug into a formula. Then our last one here is a rhombus. Same formula. Plug in. Okay, so I want this whole diagonal length. So they're telling me this part's congruent to this part. So 12 plus 12 is 24. I want this whole length again. 10 and 10 gives me 20. Half of 20 is 10. 10 times 24 is 240 feet squared. And then, of course, we're going to do one where we work backwards because that's good for your brain to exercise it in that way. So we have a trapezoid here. We're looking for our base, which is x centimeters, if we have an area of 177 square centimeters. So again, start with our formula here. Let's plug in what we know. Our area is 177. We have a height of 13. Our top base is x. Our bottom base is 11. I don't like working with fractions, so I'm going to get rid of that fraction right away. So half of 13 is 6.5. X plus 11 Now you have some options here. You can either distribute your 6.5 into your parentheses, or you could divide both sides by 6.5, whatever you prefer. I'm going to distribute, so I'll get 6.5x. 6.5 times 11 is 71.5. And now you just have a pretty simple linear equation. Subtract over that 71.5, so we get 105.5 equals 6.5x. Divide out, x equals 16.2. Thanks so much for watching. You guys are the absolute best. I don't deserve you. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time.